Hi everyone, thank you for watching. So in today's video we're opening up a brand new subscription box. It's not only new to our channel, it is a new box in general. I think it's been around 3 months, the owner told me. So we're opening up Woof and Thyme. So this is available on Cratejoy. They offer 3 different subscription sizes starting at $19. We're going to be opening up the biggest box today. So what this box is a monthly self-care, holistic, handmade, artisan products for monthly renewal and inspiration. So I'm reading from the Cratejoy page right now. So they did give me a promo code to share with you guys to get 15% off. It's Kitty15. So I'm going to link them down below along with that promo code. So yeah, I'm all about self-care, so I can't wait to see what is inside this huge box. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes like I do, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We actually have a giveaway going on right now. We hit 10,000 subscribers as a big thank you. I am hosting that. If you have not yet entered, I will link that at the end of this video so you can check that out next. But now let's get Woof and Thyme open and see what we received. It smells something good. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. So no real sneak peek. It's wrapped up nicely. It looks like there is some information on top. Oh, this feels like nice paper. Oh wow, it talks all about it. So welcome to the Luna Luxe box from Woof and Thyme. The theme is rest. With rest we remember to take care for ourselves in ways that fill our souls and refresh our minds. In this month's box, it is fully packed with complete self-care treasures that will help you while you are resting during the day and sleeping at night. Handcrafted and cured especially for the Luna Luxe, you will again feel the peace and grounding you need right now. Take the time to feel good, to sit in the quiet, to absorb the sounds of nature, and remember the path of the moon. And then it talks about the items inside. So I will keep this here to reference throughout the unboxing. And then this gives information on all of the boxes. So the big box we're opening today, the Luna Luxe box, has 10 to 12 items for self-care, connection to nature, observance of the moon, and for the growth and wild spirit of your heart. And then here it says the pricing starts off at $28, but on the Cratejoy website it says $19. So again, I'll link that down below if you want to check it out. Oh, right on top there's this big envelope. It says do not bend. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I should also mention, because I think this is great, it says when possible we always use local businesses or handcraft items ourselves. All crystals have been charged under their previous full moon. Positive intentions are projected and great care is curated into every theme. You can even plant the seeded letter envelope for some wildflowers in your garden. That's great. So it looks like we have a dream catcher as our first item. It says handmade and unique. Oh good, so it says faux fur. At first I was like, oh my god, this isn't fur, is it? Look how cool this is. I have a dream catcher in my bedroom. I'll add this to my little collection. This one is so cool. So it says you have one-of-a-kind dream catcher. It was handmade and infused with the energy of protection, love, and peace. Those 3 words are written on the bamboo base under the faux fur wrapping. It is also blessed with frankincense and citrus bliss therapeutic essential oils. Each one has a different real leaf coated in metal, crystals, stone beads, lava stone beads, and shell in the center. The hemp string creates the dreamer's web and faux leather cords accents are throughout. The small twig is from the fallen oak branches on my property and is well over 100 years old. Hang it in a special place or by your bed to help you sleep peacefully. So cool. Hopefully you guys can see all the detail on this. Ooh, next up it looks like we have a tea bag and then some loose leaf tea by the Secret Garden Organic Herb Shop. Mental Magic Clear Thinking Herbal Tea. Oh my god, I could use help with some clear thinking. So it's made with ginger, schizandra, hibiscus, bilberry, eleuthero, other stuff I can't pronounce. Nice. Next item in this little box here, it looks like we have a piece of jewelry, a necklace with a moon on it, and it has some crystals on it. This is really pretty. So this crescent moon necklace made with opal, aura, quartz, druzy, and gold chain. So this is supposed to charge the moonlight and wear to remind you to care for yourself. The Opal Aura Quartz provides a strong connection between the physical and astral entities. Used in meditation, Opal Aura helps you create a connection with your spirit guides to lead you on your path and to give you the wisdom you seek. Awesome. So pretty. Next we have something by, I believe the company is called Enjoy Holistic Mask. This is a color holding formula. So this is a hair mask. It's made with coconut water and lavender fragrance. Great for all hair types, adds strength, promotes healthy hair. It's free of stuff like sulfates, parabens, sulfur colorants. And it's made with allergen-free fragrance. Nice. I use hair masks every time I wash my hair, so this will definitely be used, and I love the scent of lavender. And next we have this little duo in here. Let's get it out. Oh nice, you can use this with the product we just talked about. This is by True Color Care, richly moisturized, zero color fade formula, shampoo and conditioner, sulfate free. Oh, this bag is heavy. Cool. Look at this. No wonder it's heavy. This is huge. How beautiful. Oh my god. I love this. Let's find out what exactly this is. The Premium Smoky Quartz Cluster. This premium specimen of smoky quartz is a harmonious cluster radiating a soothing and calming vibration. They are excellent to melt away any friction and disharmony and help with meditation or while engaging in creative conflict resolution. Smoky quartz dissipates negative energy and is very grounding with protection. It is a powerful ally to your other crystals, cleansing and charging them when put together. This is seriously awesome. I love it. Another item here. Soap rocks. Oh, so is this soaps shaped like a rock? I think so. Ooh, pretty. So this is by Soap Rocks. In form and function, we produce soap rocks to echo the earth's beauty. So the Soap Rocks brand bath soaps are replicas of the earth's precious stones made from mild, extra long-lasting vegetable glycerin soap. Like fresh air on different days, each variety has its own unique light aroma. Several premium soap bases are required to bring such wonderful washing qualities as Soap Rocks. Up to 180 additional steps are necessary to recreate in each soap. Whoa, the beauty that takes nature millions of years. Nice. Oh, it smells pretty good too. And it's so pretty. So Lapis Lazuli, I think, is the one we received. Next up, ooh, it looks like we have some bath salts. Yep, this is by the Luna Loft Bloom Salts, 4 ounces. Looks like there's a crystal in there too. Yes. Oh, it smells so good. So Bloom Bath Salt, cruelty-free and vegan blend. Handmade and contains a blend of sea salt, Epsom salt, and dendritic salt, as well as Roman chamomile, grapefruit, and lavender oils. It has a blend of herbs and flowers mixed in, so your baths are both aromatic and beautiful. The herbs include lavender, rose petals, and jasmine. In the heart of the jar is a rough rose quartz to fill your salts with love and care. And this is like the box that never ends. I love it. Next item is also in a jar, and this is a face mask. They call it the Refresh Face Mask. So this is the Pineapple and Papaya Refresh Mask. Open this up and put a thin layer on your face to refresh and moisturize your skin. Created for all skin types, this mild mask contains cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and organic ingredients. 2 things in this bag here. By Maven Botanicals, a roll-on headache relief. Oh, nice. It's made with ginger root, feverfew with lavender, rosemary, and peppermint. Naturally ease the pressures and pain of everyday headaches. I do get headaches sometimes, so this will be Definitely used. And then the other thing in the bag is also by Maven Botanicals, and it's a honey orange lip balm, all natural and organic. The labeling's really cute. So I think that was a super unique and fun box to open. If you're into like crystals, astrology, like the moon cycle, all of that, I think you would really enjoy this box. So again, I will link them down below and also list that promo code to save 15% off your first order. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. And thank you to our channel members. Your support is everything to me, and if you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link in the description box to hear all the perks, or read all about the perks I should say. But I know times are tough, so if you can't join or become a member, I totally understand. Just being here and watching is very helpful, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I love you so much. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!